The RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 3 crore on which bank? ICICI Bank. The Delhi government has announced to provide how much amount to every taxi auto driver? ₹5,000. Which movie won the Best Film jury at 11th Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Jungle Cry. What is the estimated GDP growth rate of India as per S&P Global Ratings for the financial year 2021-22? 9.8%. What is the name given to the world's largest aircraft by American company Stratolaunch? Rock. What amount of liquidity support has been announced by the RBI for the small finance banks under a special long-term repo operations to lend to MFI amid COVID-19 crisis? Rupees 10,000 crore. India has launched an ambitious 10-year roadmap with which country to elevate the bilateral relationship? United Kingdom. Cricket player Noam Zoisa has been banned for violating ICC anti-corruption code. Did he play for which country? Sri Lanka. How much amount has been allocated by the RBI towards special on-tap liquidity facility announced for banks to the second wave of COVID-19? Rupees 50,000 crore. In which state India's first electric tractor has been tested? Madhya Pradesh. Which ministry has announced to set up pressure swing adsorption medical oxygen plants at 581 sites in various states? Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. The IAF has planned to set up a 100-bed COVID-19 care facility in which city? Bengaluru. Which state education minister has launched first of its kind Oro scholarship program? Tripura. Who has been appointed as the national president of FLO? Ujjwala Singhania. Which state government has converted 25 of its city buses into ambulances? Maharashtra,